Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Shahidini bin Arifin and I'm from TESOL 2. And today I will share an innovation that I have created in the form of a digital learning material using a gamification approach that aligns with current pedagogical trends. The project is called Sea Adventure Escape Game, an interactive web-based game developed using Genially. My main goal is to create a fun, student-centered resource that promotes active learning, higher-order thinking skills, and 21st century competencies. So, this is the overview of the game. Sea Adventure Escape Game is an interactive digital game where you need to complete all the levels in order to escape from the boss, which is the eel. Are you ready? So before that, you guys can scan the QR code below to have access to the game. For the tutorial, this is the tutorial for the Sea Adventure Escape game that I have created. For the first part, which is start the game, enter the submarine team scenario by clicking the start button. Next, the objective of the game is to solve puzzles and overcome challenges to progress through different levels and eventually escape the submarine. For the third one, the instructions and clues. Follow the provided story and hints carefully. Each level or section will have tasks. Navigating the submarine. Use interactive elements by clicking on them to discover clues hidden in the environment. Okay guys, so right now I'm going to uh, give you guys the preview of the innovation of the game and how the game is done. Alright, so as you guys can see right here, this is the main page of the game, and these are the title which called Sea Adventure Escape Game. The game is created based on Year 4 textbook chapter 8, which is Amazing Animals. So I am basically using the current syllabus on Year 4 textbook. So this is the start button where the students need to press it before they can play. Moving on to the next page, which is the introduction. So after the students completely read the introduction, they can press the orange button to moving on to the next page. So there are 5 levels that student needs to complete to escape the boss. So the first levels are basically called Rocky Valley, and the first level is very easy. Just the students need to answer the basic question about the submarine games. So this is the example of the first level page. So like I use here, are whales mammals that live in the ocean and breathe air? So they are true and false question, and there are 4 questions to complete the first level. Okay, so we move on to the second level, which is called the dark pit. Okay, in the second level, students are required to drag the spotlight to find the right answer for the questions. For the first part, like here, which of the animals is known to have a hard shell and claws? So student need to drag the spotlight and find the right answer. So these are the answer as you guys can see here. So if the students answered wrong, they are going to appear. Alright. Moving on to the third level, which is called Lush Barrier. Alright, so in this level, students are required to solve the math operations. There are 4 questions that they need to answer, and yeah, there are 4 options of answer here that I put. Okay, for the next level. Alright, for the next level, which is level 4, the multi-channel cave. In this level, students are required to answer based on the picture that I have given right here. So, for example, which one is a clownfish? So basically, they need to choose between this picture right here. So for the 5th level, the marine opera. Okay, so basically this is the fun part, which students can interact with the button right here. If they press it, there are sounds that going to appear based on the picture. So basically, if you click right here, the sound of double bass will appear, and students need to drag the answer given right here to the right instruments. And for the last level, which they are going to face with the boss. And okay, so there are 3 left that I have provided so that the students can answer repeatedly. So for this part, you guys need to answer between the time that I have given, which is about 50 seconds. And if the student fail to answer, they are going to repeat the same level again. After they defeated the boss, they can choose their own treasure chest that have different prizes in the chest. Okay, and that is the end of my project, which Sea Adventure Escape Game. And basically, I created a storyline to make the game exciting and immersive, and I also added interactive elements such as hidden buttons, clues, multiple choice questions, and puzzles. I also used animation and transition to make the game more realistic and engaging. This game can also be adapted for various subjects like science, history, or language arts by changing the content of the question based on the lesson topic. So, I hope this innovation can inspire educators to explore more interactive and engaging methods in digital teaching. You can try the Sea Adventure game through through the link that I have provided, and you guys can scan the QR code that I have put in the slides just now. And yeah, you can also watch the full version of this innovation process on my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy playing and learning with Sea Adventure Escape Game. Thank you.